I disagree.
It's my game, guy.
Who's disagreeing here? You're taking a prize home.
Africa.
The translator.
Hey there, this is Ayman. I was at the African Startup Conference in Algeria, and by chance, I found myself on the pitch floor, immersed in a gamified business workshop.
To develop a model.
There were multiple groups from diverse nationalities and cultures across the African continent, all enjoying the game, laughing and debating to solve a problem. And all of this was orchestrated by the dynamic duo Amar and Steve. Now, let's dive into the concept of the Gamified Workshop. Each team must choose a problem to solve by developing a business model. They are given this fancy magical box that contains 200 cards. As for the content of these cards, I will keep it a secret for now, or you can tag Amar and Steve in the comments to reveal their recipe. You may ask, what's the challenge? Well, each team must choose exactly 11 cards to build their model, which will be mapped out and completed within 1 hour. It might sound simple, but there are a few twists. In each team, there must be a mentor or a leader, let's say.
Who's the mentor here?
Also, a timekeeper and a debater whose mission is to challenge ideas and disagree. After a set amount of time, the mentors must switch teams, or risk getting their butt kicked if they refuse.
Guys, you are the leader and the mentor of your group. I'm very happy for that. But now you choose the group, you change the group.
Change group.
Change groups, people, yeah.
And as Ammar said,
That's the life, that business life. Life of business and market is incredible.
at the end, each team presents their model, and of course, there is a winner for the best project.
For the Avengers!
The concept is fantastic, and I really enjoyed being part of it. I hope you feel the same after watching this video. For more content like this, don't forget to share and follow me.